Hi friends, welcome back to Amplifier Boards. I'm your technical friend Sandeep. I'm here with a new video. I have got this board delivered yesterday, so let's open this quick fast. So this is packed very nicely so the board does not get damaged. So here, this is the board. So let me show you. So guys, I'm not going to review this board now, so I'm just showing you how is the board. So I have a quiz for you guys. So the first question is, and you have to solve it, and you need to comment in the comment box with the answers. So the first one is, which board is this? So you have to identify which board is this. And second one is it a stereo or a mono board? So you need to answer two questions. First one is which board is this, and second one is it stereo or a mono board? So we will review and I will show you all the connection in the next video. So comment your answers in the comment box, like our videos, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. So you will get all the technical details, all the technical videos in my videos and in my channel. So do subscribe, like my videos, and share and answer your answer in comment box. So till then, bye bye. We'll meet you in the next video.